Welcome back to Fire and Spirit. Today we're going to do a chicken kebab on an open charcoal grill, and we're going to pair it with this Yellowstone high-proof bourbon. So stick around. Before we get to grilling, we need to marinate our chicken. Today I'm using about 3.5 pounds of boneless, skinless thighs. I'm going to marinate them in mayo, mustard, and some other spices. So let's get to it. First of all, I'm going to use some mayo. Mustard. I use this Grey Bourbon Dijon mustard. I like it. No other reason. I'm gonna use about half of it. Salt, pepper. A little bit of garlic powder, ginger powder, not too much, it's good, a little bit of paprika, red pepper, just a little bit. We don't want it to be too hot. Ground mustard. It's good. Onion powder. And the most important thing is turmeric. That's gives the chicken this yellow color. I just call it yellow chicken. And that should be good. Mix it all up. Add a little bit of water. Start working this into the chicken. All right, this is good to go. We're gonna cover it up, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare some marinated onions, put as garnish on top of the chicken kebabs. I have about 2 whole onions in here, some green onion, dill and parsley, paprika, vinegar, salt, pepper. Just gonna combine all of this and let it marinate for about pretty much the same amount of time as the chicken. chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours. We're gonna put them on these skewers and start grilling. Time to light up the grill. While the charcoal is getting hot, we're gonna try this Yellowstone high-proof bourbon. I recently tried it and I really loved it. It's pretty strong, gives a nice kick, but it's also smooth at the same time. We're gonna give it a try. Wow, it's really good. It's at 109 proof, so it's a bit stronger than regular bourbon, but it's really good. Smooth, sweet, delicious. Charcoal is ready. Time to put the meat. Beautiful. Grill, bourbon, fresh air. There's just nothing better, really. I really encourage you all to get out as much as possible outside. Although now it's winter, it doesn't matter. Year round. The chicken is almost done. I'm gonna put it aside for a second. I'm gonna put some bread directly on the charcoal, just as an underlayer for the chicken. Nice nice and hot. Ooh, beauty. All right, this looks ready. Time to take it out. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. Now we're gonna garnish it and it's ready to serve. We're gonna take those marinated onions, put it right on top. All the juices from the onions and the chicken. Oh my goodness. Look at this. One last step before we serve it. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime on top of it. Of course, we can't forget about our guest star, Yellowstone. Well, it's time to try it. I am excited. Oh my goodness. Chicken is super tender. The marinated onions and the citrus from the lime. It's so much flavor. Wow. You can feel the charcoal on the bread. Wow, it's just magnificent. This is a phenomenal dish. Super simple, just mayo, mustard, and a few spices, charcoal, and that's it. Wow. This is phenomenal. Thank you for joining me. There's gonna be a lot more to come, so hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe, like, share, you know the drill. Cheers.